Okay, from the sketching perspective, we're going to go into projecting edges. Now, from some of the assignments that we've had so far, we've covered projecting edges. So let's get right down to it. So open Fusion 360. I went ahead and created this object here. It's really random. What it basically was is I did two rectangles, extruded them back, then created a sketch on this plane here, did a triangle, and then shot it across. So the first step we're going to do is we are going to do construct. We're going to do an offset plane. We're going to pick this location here, and then we're just going to go and move up. Okay. So then at that point, I have my construction plane at an offset distance from the top here. Okay, then what I want to do is I just want to create a sketch, and I'm going to pick this offset plane. So now what I want to do is under create, I want to do project/include, and I'm going to go on to project here. So project projects the body silhouette edges and work geometries and sketch curves onto the active sketch plane. So you can use the selection filter to project. Okay. So once I've clicked that, then I have the ability, and in this case, I've got this section here. I can just include the section here. I can also just choose individual elements. Like in this case, I've got this one particular line here that I would like to project potentially, right? Okay, so out of selection filter, you can either do specified entities or you can do bodies. We're gonna kind of show both, but let's just go ahead and use selected entities. I'm going to go ahead and select this top portion here, and then I hit OK. Now, if I go ahead and look back in here, now what I have is a sketch on my that construction plane that we created. That is basically a projection of that top layer right there. Okay, so we've done. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and delete the sketch that we just created. And then what I want to do is I'm going to go back to my construction plane that we had. And now I'm going to go and do the exact same thing again. So I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to create it on that construction plane. Now what I want to do is do create, project/include, do the projection. But this time, instead of doing specified entities, I'm going to go ahead and do bodies. Go ahead and select. And at this point, it's going to select the entire object. And so then, if I do finish sketch, then I'm going to have basically that entire outside section that's included in the projection above the object. Okay, so for what I would like you to do in order to do your submission is create whatever object that you would like, create an offset construction plane, and then what I want you to do is do a projection of the outside edge, but it has to be something that in this case is projected. So anyway, to be clear, it should have some geometry to it that requires you to do the projection as opposed to just a regular sketch. So if you could cut it somehow in half to where I have an angle or a shape to it, camfer it, etc. Awesome.